जो लॉन्ग लाइफ थ्रोट लाइफ प्लांट्स में जो सेल्स डिवाइड होते रहते हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यूज और ड्राइंग टिश्यूज. ओके, सो next is so they are the structure organization of the organs organ system is far more specialized, localized in complex animals than even in very complex plants. This fundamental difference reflects the different mode of life pursued by these two major groups of organisms, particularly in their different feeding methods. Also, they are differently adapted for sedentary existence on one hand and active locomotion on the other, contributing so this difference in organ system design. You know that the structure organization of organs and organ system is so more specialized in case of animals, complex animals, and in complex plants. So that's why they perform different functions in different organisms. Okay, next we discuss about plant tissues and animal tissue one by one. Okay, so first plant tissue is a meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is also called growing tissue. You know that mostly this tissue is present at the tip of the plants. Tip of the plants. Okay. So see here this diagram. This is the apical meristem. This is the intercalary meristem, and this is the lateral meristem. Okay. So the growth of the plant occur only in a certain specific region. This is because of dividing tissue is also known as a meristematic tissue is located only at these points. So these meristematic tissues are mostly present at the growing region of the plants. Okay, where they divide and grow. Meristematic tissues are classified as apical, lateral, and intercalary meristem. New cells produced by meristem are initially like those of meristem itself, but as they grow and mature, their characteristics slowly change and they become differentiated as component of other tissues. Okay, so you know that जो न्यू सेल्स होते हैं मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू के डिवाइड होने के बाद जो न्यू सेल्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं वो अपने आप ही कुछ टाइम के बाद जो है वो मैच्योर हो जाते हैं एंड उनके जो करैक्टर है स्लोली अपने आप मैच्योर होने के बाद चेंज होना स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं एंड दे बिकम डिफ्रेंशिएट फ्रॉम अदर टिश्यूज से बिल्कुल फिर वो डिफरेंट नज़र आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. ओके, आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे हमारी स्किन की जो न्यू सेल है वो कितने सॉफ्ट होते हैं, रेडिश होते हैं, और जो डेड सेल होते हैं वो कितने ब्राउनिश, हार्ड, रफ से होते हैं। तो इसी तरह प्लांट्स में भी होता है। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द So these meristematic tissues are very active. They have very dense cytoplasm, thin cellulose walls, and prominent nucleus. The lack of vacuoles, can we think why they would lack vacuoles? You might want to refer to the function of the vacuole in the chapter of cells. So जो मेरिस्टेमेटिक सेल्स हैं उनमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा साइटोप्लाज्म, वो न्यू सेल्स होते हैं। सो दे हैव वेरी डेंस साइटोप्लाज्म, थिन सेलुलोज एंड प्रोमिनेंट न्यूक्लियाई इज प्रेजेंट एंड वैक्यूल इज एब्सेंट। लैक ऑफ वैक्यूल, वैक्यूल्स नहीं प्रेजेंट होता है इनमें। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द परमानेंट टिश्यू। परमानेंट टिश्यूज जो है वो पहले मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू डिवाइड करते हैं, न्यू बन जाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद जो ओल्ड वन हो जाते हैं डिवीज़न के बाद टिश्यूज, दैट आर परमानेंट टिश्यूज। ओके, सो दे टेक अप ए स्पेसिफिक रोल एंड लूज द एबिलिटी टू डिवाइड. As a result, they form a permanent tissue. This process of taking up a permanent shape, size, and a function is called a differentiation. Okay, so during this process, these permanent tissues take a permanent shape, size, and they take a permanent function is called differentiation. जब परमानेंट टिश्यूज़ बन जाते हैं तो उनकी शेप साइज जो है वो क्या हो जाती है, फिक्स हो जाती है, एंड देन आफ्टर इट उनके फंक्शन भी जो है वो परमानेंट हो जाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिफरेंशिएशन इन सेल. द सेल्स ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू डिफरेंशिएट टू परफॉर्म different type of permanent tissues. Okay, so see in this structure, these are the structure of stems which contain different types of cells which are permanent. Okay, see, outer covering is epidermis, next layer is hypodermis, this is the cortex. Okay, endodermis is inner layer, pericycle where these vascular bundles are present. In this pericycle, this gene is flowing. Okay, now this is a cambium. Metaxylem, this is the structure of this section of medullary rays. Okay, this is the metaxylem, and this inner side is the protoxylem. These are medullary rays, the space between these vascular bundles. Okay, so these are xylems, and the inner region is the pith. Okay, these trichomes, hairs, root hairs, a dead part on the stems of the plant are present like a bark. This is trichome. Okay, so these are the permanent tissues. Okay, have a nice day.